In this video, I am going to guide about using Lyft's shared rides feature. This option helps reduce your fare while making your trip more efficient. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Lyft app on your smartphone and log into your account. 2. Enter your destination in the Where are you going field. 3. Choose shared from the ride options if available. 4. Review the estimated fare and potential savings compared to a standard ride. 5. Confirm your pickup location and request the ride. 6. Wait for the app to match you with other passengers going in the same direction. 7. Follow the app's instructions for pickup, which may require a short walk. 8. Ride with other passengers and follow Lyft's shared ride policies. 9. The driver will make multiple stops to pick up and drop off riders. 10. Once you reach your destination, exit the vehicle and rate your experience. Using Lyft shared rides feature helps you save money by reducing traffic and emissions.